A very good afternoon to each and everybody. How are you all doing, my dear students?
We are fine, thank you.
Very good.
Thank you. Good afternoon.
Very good afternoon. Okay. Children, ma'am had requested to you all to be present with their literature textbook, right?
Yes.
Do you, sorry, literature workbook. Do you have it with you? Workbook? Yes. Okay. So I want you to take page number 8. Page number 8 of the literature workbook. Workbook, page number 8. Look at the screen. All of you look. See, ma'am is showing here. Look here. Look at the screen. This page. I want everybody to take this page of the literature workbook. Workbook. So, workbook, page number 8 and 9. So, did everybody see? Show it to me. I want everybody to show it to me. Show it to me. Turn it towards the screen and show it to me. Yes, Zara, correct. Ansel, correct. Agnes, good. Smriti, where is your book? Smriti, do you have the book with you? Yes, Prithvi, right. Daksha, right. Diya, right. Daksha, Deepak, right. Ara, right. Diya, CS. Show it to me properly. Yes, right. Agnes, Teresa, where is your book? Ahyan, right. Aradhya, Pradeep, show me your book. Anne Catherine, right. Ashif, right. Devdar, show me your book. Anton, show me your book. Afia, show your book. Diya KP, show your book. Ryan, Anthony, show your book. Ryan, Ahyan CS, Prithvi, show your book. Abel Sijo, correct. Agnes, Teresa, right. Ahyan CS, yes. Prithvi, show properly, Prithvi. Ryan, right. Okay. Ashwajit, right. Andrea, Anish, yes. Diya KP, yes. Let me see the other children. Yes. Ashwajit, show me. Samanvaya, show me. Anmia, Fia, show. Sivanedya. Devananda, this is your notebook. I want the workbook. Literature workbook. Veda, right. Ishan Krishna, right. Rose, show me a book. Okay. Okay, Devdarsh, right. Rafan Mohammed, show me a book. Rafan. Rose, sit down there. Rose, please sit. Okay. So, is everybody on page number 8 now? Yes. All those who have the book are on page number 8. Those who don't have the book, don't worry. Ma'am will be sending the images in the group. So from that, you can take it down in the rough notebook, write and learn. Okay, don't worry. Okay, let's begin. Yes. What do we have to do here? You all must be thinking, right? Look at the options. Can you see 5 options on the top of the page? Top part of the page? Can you see? Yes. Smriti, unmute. Smriti Nair, unmute. Unmute. Yes. Smriti, do you have the book with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Where is it? Is it in front of you? Is it in front of you? Yes. Okay. Smriti, did you see 5 options there on top? Please read those options for me.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, my dear. Please read. B-A-L-L. B-A-L-L.
Ball.
Ball. Okay. I request the parent not to help, please. I will help her. B-O-N-E. B-O-N-E.
Ball.
Bone. P-A-R-K.
Park.
Park. Very good. D-O-G. Dog. Okay. H-O-U-S-E.
House.
House. Okay. Shruti, I want you to sit straight, please. Put your hands down and sit straight. Good. That's better. Okay. You should not be drooping while you're sit straight with your back straight. Okay. Good. Can you read the words once more for me? Yes. Begin. B-A-L-L, ball. Please read.
B-A-L-L.
Okay, very good. Next one. B-O. N-E. What is that? Bone. Okay. P-A-R-K.
Park.
Park. Very good. D-O-G.
Dog.
Okay. H-O-U-S-E.
House.
House. Okay. Good effort. Smriti, next time when I ask you to read, I want you to read the spellings and then try to read the word yourself. Okay? Yes?
Okay, ma'am.
Don't hesitate to read. Okay, good girl. Thank you, Smriti. Abel, unmute. Abel, to unmute.
Unmute. Ma'am, I am mute.
Okay, good.
Unmute. Unmute.
Abel, please try to read the second one. Number 2.
Hi.
Yes, very good. If you are not able to read any word, read out its spelling. H-A-V-E.
H-A-V-E.
Have.
I have
Okay.
a big dog.
Very good. I have a big dash. Okay. And look at the
Big
picture.
dog.
What is that picture of?
Dog.
Dog. Very good. It's not dog. Dog.
Dog.
So we have to write, I have a big, in the blank we will write dog.
Dog.
Because this picture is of a dog. What is the spelling of dog?
D-O-G.
Okay, D-O-G, dog. Very good. Well done, Abel. Ansel, unmute. Ansel, Lijo, unmute. Yes, Ansel, please read the third one, number 3. Number 3. He. C-E-W-S. Choose. Very good. O-N. On. H-I-S. His. Very good. Now you look at the picture. What is that picture of?
Bone.
That picture is of a bone. So we will write bone in the blank space. Okay. Now what is the spelling of bone? If you don't know the spelling, you can look at the options here. So, Ansel, tell me the spelling of bone. Look at the options and tell me.
Bone.
B-O-N-E, bone.
Second
Very
one.
good. Very good. So if you don't know the spelling of any answer, you can look at the options given here and say or write the spelling. Okay? Did everybody understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So, how do we have to get the answer? We have to look at the picture, identify it, and then write its name in the blank space. Did everybody understand it? Yes? Okay, Daksha, unmute. Very good answer. Daksha, unmute. Daksha, Lakshmi.
Yes, ma'am.
Please read the fourth one. We go
We go to the park.
dash. What is this picture of?
Park.
Park, yes.
Park.
We can see a girl playing on a slide. So which area is that? That is a park. That is a park. We go to the park. Okay, very good, Daksha. Good, good. What is the spelling of park? Daksha, unmute and tell me spelling. Daksha, unmute and tell me.
P-A-R-K.
Very good. P-A-R-K. Park. Very good. Ahyan CS, unmute. Ahyan, unmute.
Ma'am.
Read the fifth one. Number 5.
My
Yes, my.
dog
Not dog. Dog. Dog.
dog
Dog.
runs
Yes.
after
A
a
dash.
dash.
What is this picture of? What is this picture of?
Ball.
It's not bowl. Ball.
Ball.
Ball. Yes, this picture is of a ball. So what should we write here in the blank? Ball. What is the spelling of ball, Ahyan?
B-A-L-L.
Very good. B-A-L-L. Ball. Okay. So children, what do we have to do here? We have to read. Now we have done the reading part. We have found the answers. We have got the answers also. Now what do we have to do? We have to trace the sentences. Trace. What is this trace? How do we do this tracing? See children, look at the second sentence, number 2. The second one. I have a big. Look at these words carefully. Did you notice that they are written using dotted lines? Did you see that? They are not proper lines. They are dotted lines. Dot, 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 dot. Yes, did you see? So what you have to do is, you have to write on the dotted lines. Okay? You have to write on the dotted line for all the words in the sentence. Then you have to write the answer. Are you ready to write with ma'am now? Yes? Okay, so get ready. Ma'am is going to share the screen. All of you get ready to write. Page number 8. Page number 9. Okay? I want everybody to sit straight and write. Abel, Sijo, sit straight and write. Don't lie down on the book. Sit straight, everybody. I am watching everybody from here. Sit straight. Dia, CA, sit straight. Ma'am is writing here. Like that, you also write. Okay. The second one, number 2. I, H, A, V, E. A, B, Big. I have a big, then we have a blank there. So what is the answer there? D-O-G, dog. And what do we put after the sentence? Full stop. Okay. I have a big dog. I have a big dog. Okay. Now let's move to the third one. Number 3. Number 3. H-E, he. C-H-E-W-S, choose. O-N, on. H-I-S, his. Then we have a blank here. Okay. He chews on his dash. What do we write here? B-O-N-E, bone. And what do we put at the end of the sentence? We put a full stop. We put a full stop. Very good. Is everybody writing neatly? When you trace on the words, do it very neatly. Don't make it messy. Okay? It should look very nice. Arav, sit straight and write. Malavika, are you writing? No? Unmute and say, do you want to say something?
Ma'am, I don't have book. I'm in Dubai.
Okay, okay, fine dear, no problem. If you want, you can write it down in your rough book.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Anton, sit straight. Anton. Yes, very good. Okay, now I will write the fourth one. Okay, we go, G-O, go. T-O-2, T-H-E, the. Then we have a dash. We go to the park. The picture given there is of a park. P-A-R-K, park. P-A-R-K, park. We go to the park. Next we move to the last one, number 5. Number 5. My, M-Y, my. D-O-G, dog. My dog, R-U-N-S, runs. A-F-T-E-R, after A dash. My dog runs after a B-A-L-L, ball. Because the picture given there is of a ball. So we will write, my dog runs after a ball. Anne Catherine, write yourself. Anne Catherine, write yourself. Did you write all the words? Yes? Okay, good. Devdash, sit and write. Anthony completed your work? Show me. Anthony, have you completed your work? Show me, Anthony. Okay, okay, good. Very good. Sivanedia, very good. Ishan, very good. Good. Andrea, very good. Ashwijit, over. Samanvaya, over. Yes, very good, very good. Samanvaya, very good. Prithvi finished? Yes, good. Ryan completed? Ryan, show me. Ryan, show it to me. Okay, good. Very good. Anmia completed? Smriti, very good. Smriti has done it. Smriti, did you trace the words given there? Dotted line? Dotted words, did you write? Not just the answer, you have to write the complete sentence, the dotted words also. Have you written that? Smriti? Daksha, Deepak, show me. Daksha, show me your book. Yes, okay, okay, fine, fine. Good, good. Anmir Regal, show me your book. Okay, I've stopped this sharing now. Abel Sijo, please sit straight. Don't bend so much. Okay, Arav, I saw the book. Your sister is also trying to show me something. Let her show. She's showing something. Let her show, no problem. Yes, Zara, very good. Ryan. Ryan, show it to me properly. Hold it properly. Okay, Ryan, very good. Sivanedya, very good. Krishna Raj, very good. Ahyan, very good. Devdarsh, very good. Tamanvaya, good, very good. Daksha Lakshmi, very good. Abel, very good. Okay. Dia CS, very good. Okay, well done. So, all of you have understood how this is to be done? Is it difficult? No, right? Okay, fine. Now I want everybody to move to page number 1. Page number 1. Page number 1 of the same book. Okay, page number 1. Did everybody take page number 1? Yes. Now, can you see some more words here? Small, 4-letter, 5-letter words. I want you to read the spelling and write those words. These are also dotted lines. So I want you to read the spelling loudly and write the words now. Do it. D-O-W-N, down. Say loudly and write. D-O-W-N, down. Number 2, B-R-O-W-N, brown. B-R-O-W-N, brown. Agnes Teresa, please unmute. Agnes Teresa, please unmute. Whose color is brown, Agnes? In our story, whose color is brown?
I don't know.
Oh, did you forget the first story? I will help you to remember. Whose color was brown in that story? Lesson number 1. My dog?
Dog.
Yes. What was the dog's name?
Rex.
Yes. What was Rex's color?
Brown.
Brown. Very good. Will you forget again?
No.
No, you must not forget. Otherwise, Rex will become so sad. Ma'am will also become sad. Don't forget, okay?
Ma'am.
Okay, good girl, Agnes. Okay, do your work. You can do your work. Yes, I want everybody to sit straight and write. Say the word loudly and write. Number 3, M-A-K-E, make. M-A-K-E, make. Number 4, H-A-P-P-Y, happy. H-A-P-P-Y, happy. After completing 4, turn the page. Go to the next page. 5, number 5, J-U-M-P, jump. J-U-M-P, jump. Anton, have you completed your work? J-U-M-P, jump. Next, C-O-L-O-U-R, color. C-O-L-O-U-R, color. Number 7, F-U-N-N-Y, funny. Okay, now I have a question. Rafan Mohammed, unmute. Rafan Mohammed. Rafan, unmute. Rafan, unmute. Rafan, can you say
Yes,
number 7th word on page number 2? Please read it. F.
Funny.
Yes. What is it?
Funny.
Funny. Can you tell me one rhyming word from the lesson which rhymes with the word funny? From the lesson My Dog Rex, there is a name which rhymes with the word funny. Which is that?
Funny dog.
No. Okay, funny dog. Okay. I want a rhyming word of funny. Another word which sounds similar like funny. What is that word? Tell me. Which word is that?
Sun.
No. Do you remember the boy's name? Rafan?
Sunny.
Sunny. Yes. Doesn't it rhyme with funny?
Yes, sunny.
Yes. Sunny and funny are rhyming words. Yes? Yes. Okay, Rafan. Continue your work. Okay, Rafan. Good boy. Do your work. Okay. Then the next word is 8. B-O-N-E, bone. B-O-N-E, bone. Okay. Then down the next. Here some pictures are given. We have to look at the pictures and complete the words that are given below. Okay. Number 1. What is that? A face. Face. What is that? A face. So what is the spelling? F-A-C-E, face. F-A-C-E, face. Number 2, B-I-R-D, bird. Devananda, unmute. Devananda, unmute. Yes. Please read the second word. Can you see the spelling? Did you see the picture of the bird?
Yes.
Please read the spelling.
B-O-O.
B-I
Birds.
B-I-R-D. I want you to read the spelling, Devananda.
B-I-R-D.
B-I-R-D. What is that?
Birds.
Bird. Very good, Devananda. Good girl. Okay, next, Samanvaya. Read the third one. Number 3.
H-A-N-D.
What is
Hand.
that? Hand. Yes. Look at the picture. Then you will be able to identify what it is. H-A-N-D. Hand. H-A-N-D. Hand. Okay. Very good, Samanvaya. Ashwajit,
ma'am.
unmute. Okay. Ashwajit, unmute. Ashwajit, please read the next word. Number 4. D. Unmute. Okay, read. Unmute. Yes, read. D.
O-O-R.
What is that? Door. Very good. D-O-O-R. Door. Okay. Now the next page. Exercise 2.3. Again, what do we have to do here? We have to look at the picture, identify the picture, and then we have to trace the words. Trace means we have to write on the dotted words. Okay? Trace. Rose, unmute. Rose, unmute. Yes, Rose.
ma'am.
Please read this number 1 on page 3. Page number 3, 2.2. F. Yes.
F-I-S-H.
What is that? Fish.
Fish.
Very good. F-I-S-H. Fish. Okay, very good. Number 2. Sahasra Vinu, unmute. Sahasra, unmute. Okay, Sahasra, please read the second one. Number 2.
Good.
Now, I want you to read with the spelling, my dear.
G-I-R-L. Good.
Very good. G-I-R-L. Girl. Okay. Aradhya Pradeep, unmute. Good girl. Sahasra, very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, my dear. Aradhya, read the third one. Number 3. C-A. Please read. Aradhya. C-A.
K-E.
Yes, what is that? C-A-K-E. Look at the picture. What is that? Cake. Yes. Do you all like cake?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, fine. Now, fourth one. Aradhya, good girl. Sivanedya, unmute. Sivanedya, unmute. Read the last one. Very good. D-U-C-K. Duck. D-U-C-K. Duck. Okay. So, I want everybody to trace all these words. And when you trace, how do you do it? Read the spelling, read the word loudly, and write on the dotted letters. Okay? So everybody understood how this is to be done?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, fine. There is one on page number 7 also, 7. It's about family. Family. Tracing, that is also tracing. So you have to read and trace those words. Okay? Yes? Did everybody see page number 7? Page number 7?
Yes.
Yes. Here the letters are about family. Who all do we find in a family? F. F for family. F for family. Yes. H for home. H for home. And C for care. C for care. Sometimes we keep pets in our family, with our family, right? So P for pet, P-E-T, pet. Then E for enjoy. We all enjoy with our families, right? Do you all enjoy with your families? Yes. E for enjoy. E-N-J-O-Y, enjoy. Okay. And then the next one, F. F for friend. F-R-I-E-N-D, friend. This also, when you are writing, read the spelling loudly. Okay, spelling, then read the word loudly, then you write on the dotted letters. Okay? Okay, fine. Have you all completed? Ashif? Yes. Okay, so with this, we come to the end of today's session. Thank you. See you on the next day.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, children. Thank you. Bye-bye. Say bye. Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.